Hey, it ain't my fault y'all like acting fool on the telephone. BillySorrells.com.
To hear the pharmacy department hours, press 4. At any time during this call, press star to speak to a pharmacy staff member.
CarePlus Pharmacies, Lee, how can I help you?
Hello.
Yes?
I'm calling because I need to speak to a pharmacist.
May I ask who's calling?
This is Leroy.
Uh-huh.
I got a question.
Okay, let me get the pharmacist. Hold just a moment.
Well, can you help me with my question?
Sure, let's hear it.
Well, I got like these little bumps, these little green bumps right around my booty hole, and I need to figure out what that is so that they can give me I think they gave me this prescription for this other outbreak that I was having, but I just got these new green bumps and my partner noticed it around my booty hole. Do you know what that is?
Let me get the pharmacist. That sounds like a pharmacist question.
Wait a minute, hold on. Wait.
That is that bullshit. That is that bullshit. That's the same one the last one said. Excuse me, Miss Hempshire gonna need some help. It got green. It's green and it got a whisker hanging out of it and it's pus coming out the damn whisker, sir. We need some help over here and y'all don't want to prescribe the wrong stuff, so we're gonna need y'all to get it together for real. Ain't this the pharmacy?
This is the pharmacy, but I'm a pharmacist.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Have you ever had a bump with a whisker in it and it had pus coming out the whisker? That's some weird shit. I am freaking out. I don't know what to do. I tried to bust it for him, but it grow back and it is blue when it grow back and the whisker come back longer. What the fuck is going on here?
Hold just a moment for the pharmacist.
Oh my God! This could be a life or death situation. He can't even wipe his ass. I hate the motherfucking pharmacist.
Going live right now at Thrill.com. ED.
Hey, what you said your name was again?
I ain't telling no name. That was Leroy. My name is Leroy.
Okay.
I know that nigga was so uncomfortable right there.
A whisker.
You said a whisker. Who the fuck says whisker?
A whisker.
It's the whisker in it. That's what it is. Like the nigga didn't even open his mouth to talk. The nigga just talked through his teeth. Ooh, I can't stand this. There's two guys on there. They're talking about bumps in the booty hole. I can't deal with this. They gonna put you on hold. That's one thing you gonna know about the TV. They will put your ass on hold. But that's why you gotta light their ass up as soon as they get on there. Yes, this is Leroy. I'm calling because I need to speak to somebody about the issue. They gave me a prescription and it's not working, and I just need to speak with them.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Leroy Brown.
Leroy Brown.
And birthday 12/1/89. And my prescription is in there for Valtrex. And I have a bump on my booty in the middle of my booty hole exactly, and it's got like a whisker in it. And my partner is on the phone. He can tell you a little bit more about the bump. What does it look like?
Mr. Brown, you got that prescription from us?
Yeah, we got the prescription. Y'all the one told me to help me with this bump in my booty hole. I got a whisker in it, and he seen it. What it look like back there?
Excuse me, ma'am. It is so hideous. It's three of them. It's one of them in the middle. It's real big, and it's like it's pussing up. It got a big whisker hanging out of it, and the end of the whisker is like mucusy type stuff on it. And I tried to bust it for him and everything, but it go back, and it's like been in for 3 days. And he got the prescription for y'all, so and the lady said that it should be taken care of. I don't know what the deal is. And then we heard something about some. Do y'all have salamander milk there? Because it's supposed to be something you can rub on, like a salve or something. It's called salamander milk. Do y'all have that?
Actually, before I answer your question, I'm trying to pull up his profile here. What is his birth?
Excuse me?
For Leroy Brown, what is your date of birth?
I said 12/1/89 the first time. You didn't hear me?
No. 12/1/89?
Well, let me say it clear again. 12/1, December 1st, 1989. I don't know why they got y'all working the register if you don't know how to hear.
Well, Leroy, just hold on, punk, and just let her do her thing, cause we don't know.
This in my booty hole, and I can't think it's got a whisker in it.
We cannot trip just yet. Just hold tight. I'm just as nervous as you is. Shit, hold tight, punkin'. Shit, how long it take type to it? 12,189, about shit.
Could tell them GED bitches every time. I can tell when they got a GED, when they went to DeVry, that shit is not working. It's not a real degree.
On them stamps. Cause shit, it sounds like we have an issue.
They ain't gonna come back, dog. They ain't gonna come back.
Yeah, no, we got